Crypto Hero here, and today I'm going to explore the exciting world of RWA, aka Real World Assets, a niche that I personally think will have a lot of hype in the upcoming period, and that's why we need to know in which coins to invest so we have the best returns. By the way, nothing I share here is financial advice, but let's get straight into the coins. Today, I'm thrilled to share my first pick, Propchain, a standout project that's caught my attention. Think of this as a world where the line between what's physical and what's digital almost doesn't exist. That's the heart of Propchain. It uses the blockchain to make dealing with real-world assets like property and other valuable goods smoother and more trustworthy. This company has roots in Singapore and also calls St. Vincent and the Grenadines home. They've brought the Propc token into the world, and it's clear they mean business with a portfolio of over 5,000 products. To me, Propchain is a peek into a future where tech doesn't just change things, it transforms them for the better. We're talking more access, more security, and more opportunities for growth. They're merging the latest in blockchain with real-world know-how, shaking up how real estate works. They've been on this path since late 2021, grabbing tech, acquiring properties, and rolling out platforms. Propchain is all in on growing their ecosystem and building connections. Seeing how far they've come, I'm all in on their vision. They're not just riding the blockchain real estate wave, they're out in front, leading the charge. I've been keeping an eye lately on Propc's performance, and it's been impressive, trading at around $4.60 with a market cap near $77 million, according to CoinMarketCap. It's already up by 220% since the last time we talked about it on this channel. If you're feeling bad for missing out, don't worry, I've got a new plan. In my opinion, buying it for anything under $3.70 is wise. But honestly, trying to get it just under $3 seems like an even better strategy to me. I'm setting my sights on a short-term target of $8 and looking a bit further down the road, $14 seems like a realistic goal. Given the solid foundation Propc is built on, I can't help but feel bullish about its future. I wouldn't be surprised to see it explode, potentially reaching 100 times increase from its current position. Remember, these are just my personal insights, but diving into these opportunities is what makes the crypto world so thrilling. Before getting into the next crypto, I want to remind you that I have a private community where me and my members made lots of money in the last month. For example, if we scroll down, we have this post about Jupiter, when no one was speaking about the Solana ecosystem and the big upcoming hype on it. Here you can see at what price I recommended it and how much Jupiter I bought, as well as the next buy zone. Now, if we get to the chart, we can see that we're having a 150% increase, which means all members almost tripled their money. If you want to join my private community and find out my next 100 times crypto investments, check out the link in the description and let's make millions together. Secondly, I'm putting my money into the Galileo protocol, or as some call it, LEOX. To me, Galileo is changing the game by merging real-world items like homes and fancy watches with the digital universe thanks to their innovative PNFTs, aka physical non-fungible tokens. It's a smart solution to a big problem in the luxury market. Galileo's tech verifies your luxury items are legit, offering a digital twin to keep them on track. This boosts my confidence in the authenticity of my purchases. I'm especially focusing on the LEOX token. It's more than just money. It's your key to the services Galileo offers, from transactions to rewards. This utility and involvement excite me. For someone who believes in blockchain's transformative power, Galileo feels like a big step in the right direction, making the world of luxury more open and much more secure. On CoinMarketCap, LEOX is currently trading at around $1.25, having a market cap of $20 million. From what I've analyzed on the TradingView chart, I'd recommend considering purchasing this coin below the 85 cents mark, as it seems like a wise move. Also, there is strong support at 51 cents, providing additional reassurance. When it comes to resistance levels, the short-term target appears to be within the range of $2 to $3, while the mid-term sell target should be potentially around $8. Holding on to this coin for the long term could be highly rewarding, potentially yielding returns of up to 100 times the initial investment. Let's talk about Stobox, my third investment choice. Stobox is revolutionizing digital finance, backed by their accolades like the best STO platform in 2019 and most promising startup. Their comprehensive services reach globally, aiding businesses and investors in navigating digital asset markets. What's impressive is their commitment to making asset management transparent and accessible through tools like the DS Dashboard and DS Swap. Stobox guides clients through tokenization, democratizing digital assets, and fostering interest from individuals to large organizations. Their success stories highlight the potential of tokenization to open global markets and simplify investing. Driven by a mission to enhance financial technology through blockchain, Stobox's optimism and dedication paint a promising picture in asset management and investment. Taking a look at CoinMarketCap, I noticed STBU is trading at about 23 cents with a market cap of $23 million. Analyzing the charts on TradingView, I suggest thinking about buying this coin if it drops below 13 cents. That looks like a smart move to me. Plus, there's solid support at 6 cents, which you should use as a DCA point. Looking at resistance levels, it seems like you should set a short-term goal around 65 cents. For those looking a bit further ahead, setting a sell target at approximately $1.30 could be a good strategy. And if you're in it for the long term, holding onto this coin might just pay off big, possibly bringing in returns up to 100 times your initial investment. The fourth project I'm excited about and genuinely believe could skyrocket is Labs Protocol. Imagine a world where investing in real estate isn't just for the rich. That's what Labs Group is making a reality. They're using blockchain and DeFi to break down the usual barriers, opening up real estate investment to everyone, everywhere. For me, Labs isn't just another project. It's a chance to get involved in real estate with the potential for long-term growth, fighting inflation, and earning from something solid. What's great about Labs is how they made the whole process easy and accessible. Plus, Labs is doing some really cool stuff, like teaming up with big names such as Arsenal FC. They're mixing things like vacation clubs and blockchain in ways nobody else is, creating opportunities like StayNext. It's not just talk. They're laying down the digital groundwork for a future where real estate investment is open to all. To sum it up, Labs Group is lighting the way for us to rethink real estate investment. It's about making the benefits of property ownership a true wealth builder available to everyone. Checking out CoinMarketCap recently, I spotted that Labs is trading at about 0.09 cents with a market cap close to $1.7 million. This places it in the microcap category, which in my eyes positions it as potentially one of the easiest projects to achieve a 100 times increase. Looking into the charts on TradingView, my take is to consider grabbing this coin if it dips below the 0.069 cents level. That strategy feels wise to me. There's also strong support at about 0.052, a great spot for averaging down your investment. On the topic of resistance levels, aiming for a short-term target near 0.4 cents seems reasonable to me, and for those planning a bit more into the future, eyeing a sell point at about 0.7 cents could align well with your strategy. And the long-term holding of this coin could really amplify your investment, delivering returns 100 times or even more than your initial investment. Polytrade is a game changer in the finance world, blending reliable traditional trading with blockchain's new opportunities. This platform is simplifying trade by bringing together buyers, sellers, insurers, and investors in a seamless manner. They're introducing a product designed for the metaverse, ensuring that trading remains vibrant both online and offline. By converting real-world invoices into digital tokens, Polytrade is bridging the gap between classic finance and the vast possibilities of cryptocurrency. Polytrade offers a diverse range of investment opportunities from vehicles and commerce to real estate and collectibles. In essence, Polytrade is pioneering a future where traditional and digital finance merge, creating a better, more inclusive world of investment opportunities for people everywhere. When I looked at CoinMarketCap, I saw Polytrade's price is around $2.80 with a market cap at about $91 million. After spending some time on TradingView and analyzing the charts, I feel it might be a good idea to consider buying this coin if its price dips below the $1.90 mark. That seems like a smart decision to me. There's also a solid support level at 95 cents. In my view, this would be a great point to increase your holdings at a cheaper price. Regarding where to take profits, the resistance level suggests setting a short-term target around $4.70. For those who can hold a little longer, aiming for a sell point at around $11 seems like a sensible strategy, and for anyone in it for the long term, holding onto this coin might prove to be incredibly rewarding, potentially offering returns up to 100 times the initial investment. The sixth project I'm buying now is Ondo. This platform from the Cayman Islands aims to blend blockchain with real-world assets, making finance accessible to all. I'm genuinely excited about this one. Ondo is opening doors to enormous opportunities for us. They're tokenizing real assets, simplifying finance with smart contracts, and managing funds to grow the ecosystem. What's catching my eye are their key initiatives, Ondo Finance and Flux Finance, aiming to tokenize real assets seamlessly. They've built a strong network of partners, bridging blockchain expertise with financial acumen to democratize financial products. But Ondo isn't just about innovation. It's also about education and community building around the future of finance. With over 18,000 Ondo token holders, they're fostering a community that has a real say in shaping finance's future. Getting involved with Ondo feels like joining a movement towards a more equitable financial future. With the Ondo Foundation, we're stepping into an exciting new phase of finance together. Checking out CoinMarketCap, you can see Ondo trading around 82 cents with a market cap of $1.1 billion. After diving into TradingView charts, my advice is to consider buying this coin if it dips below 76 cents. It's also got strong support at 61 cents, making it a prime spot for averaging down your investment. Eyeing the resistance, a short-term target of about $2 seems achievable. For those looking midterm, aiming for a sell point around $3.50 might be wise, and for the long-term holders like me, sticking with Ondo could really pay off, potentially making returns of 15 to 20 times the investment. Let's talk about Propbase, the seventh and final project on our RWA list. Propbase is revolutionizing real estate investing, making it accessible to everyone. With blockchain technology, you can now own a share of real estate with just $100, which is a game changer, democratizing access to premium properties. You can also earn steady rental income, choose from professionally managed properties, and trade your stakes anytime, giving you unprecedented freedom and control. At the heart of Propbase is Props, their token, which streamlines everything from paying fees to accessing new property listings early. What's particularly exciting is how they're leveraging technology to make real estate more accessible. By using the interplanetary file system to store files across the internet, they're making investments as easy to manage as selling stocks. And it's not just for individuals. Large corporations and funds can also safeguard their assets from inflation by investing in properties worldwide. In summary, Propbase is poised for significant impact. With their innovative technology, Propbase is leading the way in making real estate investment a viable option for all investors, promising a bright future for the industry. Checking out CoinMarketCap, I saw that Props is currently trading at about 23 cents with a market cap of $80 million. While observing the charts on TradingView, my advice is to buy this coin when it's priced between 14 to 11 cents. Based on the resistance levels I've seen, I suggest aiming for a short-term goal of around 65 cents. For those planning a bit further out, setting your sights on selling at around $1.10 might be a solid plan. And for anyone thinking about the long term, sticking with this coin could really pay off, potentially offering returns up to 100 times what you initially put in. So those were my picks for the real-world asset sector. I'm sure this next video about best cryptos to buy before Bitcoin halving will help you get the best returns possible in the crypto market.